darumo bia ho ye we ye bo aboso federal agency faculty na me koto aka kire mu say eyewura Ochiami Kofi Adu e contest for deputy organizer ewa Asante Mantam a ewa NDC diremu nti emere no so na atu ahene na asi ahene fo kwa koto aba ye bebo modern anto ye beto aba na mayewura Ochiami Kofi Adu na NDC amanyuko ewo Asante region anase Asante Mamu ha no ebe fa na ntoma pa afra yewura Ochiami Kofi Adu e ka kire Ghana fo nyina ne Asante Manyina so monto aba na ma no na monto aba na ma no be deputy organizer wo be hu say yiw oye adwuma mu adwuma nyame ko bia no oje ne kete na afi ye koya asem so abusiafo me pese ye di nkomo kakra concerning South Africa kwanya South Africa e de omunuanom Ghana for omudo omunuanom Nigeria for omudo omunuan other African countries omudo omu fast was South African. It's like say ohwe ye man Ghana ye jeje omu so ye jeje South Africa for so elitina South Africa for egu omu krom ho edi nsemu edi nkwasiasem abusiafo enura ye behwa eye Nigeria Parliament enura Nigeria Parliament tenate na enura Nigeria Parliament tenate no omudo omu nsem tutu dwa Oma ya omo hihye ya kwan omo pese omo de South Africa for efaso ewo Nigeria na emro omo de betuda omo so oh say DSTV ya South Africa for de bi Nigeria say what do you call MTN o call Nigeria ya orange no say MTN for dia ya South Africa for dia omo nyina gu Nigeria enti ne tete ne tete omo nyina ayetem say South Africa for jimi nkwasiafo enim nyansa na so omo de omo sesa no mbe ya omo Nigeria for decision say no mafa yakwane yakotie decision Nigeria for afa afa what do you call it South Africa for na yekotie ba na yeso Ghana mabunu Ghana youth yeso de yewo e ka kire South Africa for yeso ye de aba be peace no yekotie Nigeria Parliament embra.
The second is that we ask the Minister of Communication of the federal government to revoke the DSTV, which is also a South Africa company that is cutting away millions of dollars, even abusing, resorting to practices that will not even be accepted in South Africa. I don't want this Senate to be shedding tears, to sympathize with those who have died. We didn't come here to shed tears, and I'm not going to shed tears. If you hit me, I hit you. I think it is appropriate in diplomacy. It's an economic struggle. What the black South Africans are saying is that Nigerians are taking their jobs. Okay, Nigerians, come home. I take over the job of MTN. Nigerians, come home. I take over the job of DSTV. When we hit back, the president of South Africa will not only talk, he will go on his knees to recognize that Nigerians cannot be intimidated, and we do not condone any one life being lost. If a crime has been committed under South African law, they have a right to bring any sort of person to justice. But to kill our people as if we are helpless, we are not. By the time we turn in the economy hardship, we withdraw MTN license, we revoke DSTV license. Those people coming from Nigeria, from South Africa will have good jobs to do. Let South Africa continue with their jobs. Then when we have this balance of madness, I believe there will be sanity, and we will kick our bilateral relationship in a manner that is a win-win. Right now, Nigeria trade deficit with South Africa. South Africa is the one benefiting. So my colleagues, let not turn this place to a place of mourning and crying and lamenting. Let us bite in a manner that they will be the one begging. I so hold and I persuade my colleagues that when we come to prayers, we should include these two prayers: that MTN license be withdrawn, that DSTV license be withdrawn. There are Nigerians who can provide those services, and they will employ those who are coming back home from South Africa. You bite me once, I bite you twice.
For Nigeria Parliament, and your cocoa omo. Omo ya to the pain. Say South Africa for ku Nigeria for bu Nigeria for shishi Nigeria for nyuma wa South Africa. Pray promo kunkum bi dia. Omo so omo from one day. Omo so ba be tia sikrom. Any shop bia, any company bia, South Africa for dia bia wo Nigeria no. Omo do nyame. Abi bia say. Omo so ba be jimi nyina. Eti Nigeria ni bia wo South Africa bia brafie. Wase Nigeria for am wo South Africa. Mu nyina mo brafie. Na mo brafie South Africa for nyuma na Nigeria no mo so ba be fa na mo so bua pamo South Africa for nyam mo makomukum because one of my friends or South Africa FM catch them say na dem vie wu for the past 3 weeks ni yentimi pia bonti because you pia ni wuto ya Ghana ni a ya be buakum ya mafra ya ma amoko school omugbo wura school mu a na mo so ya Nigeria ni ya Ghana ni ufri other country na anya South Africa ni a pamo kra ni nyina mo makofie na abusia omuso komisa bisama one of the radio stations South Africa omo ka se omo mampanyini South Africa mampanyini ana aye sa hihye no so omo pam obi bi of free krom obi abel elutina ade we koso more than a month ni a South Africa president embe kan hwe what I say because the omo kan ni say South Africa president and am go ahead let you ka Ghana for na ya maame ne ya papa maka asem tem wo ne re chichiri kuro na wo de wo na chichiri kuro na wo kuro na oba bedi awu a dia na wase ya wo no yenhwe Ghana omo tonton phone covers omo tonton phone screens ni ade nyina they are from Nigeria omo tonton sa bluetooth ya de bobo nyumi they are from Burkina Nigeria na so from ya no mo na nam ya didi mo ye bibia bom omo be je guess omo ni andi nkomo ye bibia ya no mo ni papa ni bibia South Africa for MTN ayamodia Stanbic Bank ayamodia once a lot of companies are ShopRite me come na so for South Africa for dia MTN South Africa for dia DSTV our Ghana South Africa for dia but when was the last time what you say Ghana mabunu asori say ye kwa MTN office ye kwa DSTV ye kwa Stanbic ye kwa all the companies South Africa dia ye kwa pamo omo ni aka tro mo say ye GMI. When was the last time what is a Ghana for you? Because Ghana there you go we are. Na say South Africa for so no mo yesa ni amount ya. You catch the interior minister you were mutaka. You catch the chief of staff you were Julo Debra. You catch your papa John Dramani Mahama, the commander of the army. Catch your mama na le jelo pokwa ma on to na police for now sir. Omo so ma mabunu no kwan. Na mabunu no so ntinsi krom na South Africa for Japan ya wa nyina no yenje Japan no na yammo pam South Africa for nyina me ya kam nsuro na me ka kire babunu bi anase me ka kire Ghana ni bi asem sa wonam na wo hia South Africa ni opa bolivia fa dia boni trim kuro opa kuro na obetima ya obewu afiri wiase ya no in your neighborhood, the area where you are no so wo South Africa ni bi ona de obetimi dia ya na odo so ko betobia fire no because Kenya South Africa for the for nam to that kind of brutality no one say for South Africa it look like as a Ghana and you know we were South Africa na moje independence that's 1994 na munyo bia obetimi aka mo mama ji independent Africa ekeka mo bom na de yakra abufu semne yesem yen Ghana for by then na flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings and na what do you call it and na president you were Jerry John Rawlings emra na ya Chi Mandela ashe prison you were Jerry John Rawlings from model akonia sabia so ye no free prison afa na aboba be independent na money scout Ghana yetam $1 million by then wa check it samra no $1 million ne just kaketwa and na yewra flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings e free Ghana fotuom and ma South Africa for say monje na mo fan independence and mo be independent and na dia monsa asumachi papa etimo catch na Ghana for say munni mo omo kwasia panyini bi ase no kai kwa na ai ana Ghana for no ba South Africa ma ba jiji ya guess ewi ase nyina ope country mo mpa adwuma mo ya kwadwofo a South Africa for na wo ye kwadwofo na wo mpa adwuma nya na obi aba no wo ye adwuma no so wo si hey mo de ji ya guess enti saade aya mum ne yankum na South Africa president na tawo kwasia fo ya chi so mo ni sem guru no samfo enti yeso ya ka kire youth ni say men na na je FIFA kotre me ni cruise am ni mo ele me gang sam ni mo mani ade paro me ma ka kire am tamasa wo sha South Africa ni bia ene kwana bia de obetumi dia ye bia fire because ya nyesa ya telefone nsore ma wo say ebra dandwa na ma kan wasem ma wo say ebra okudjo to abla kwa kan wasem ma wo say African Union ada ECOWAS na asefo enso committee na mo kan wasem kasa de na South Africa for ye no so man jaya ombeka ekosi agranti na simplest way ni lesem only any African country be a South Africa ni wo so bia no kan man ko krom oya ne mo so no kasa wan kwa o metumi abunu kono boy ti say ba kama ye me ye ni break ye ka kire ye mpani fo say nkwasi assembly se munu na South Africa fo di ye nya ho and Africa there we are all one ye baako ye kika humo na munu pu Ghana fo ho mo se ye ti Ghana fo so duru ba bi aye fa nyam Ghana ni ti ko ti Ghana no asori akọ South Africa da mi ko botri obokọ na ba me botri South Africa na ba me eyi3 South Africa I know a colleague o Ghana hanwa barbering shop was a day while you can nya 500 Ghana to 5 million now ko South Africa kwa kwa dey most of from free South Africa ba nyina no bona s no mo ba s South Africa obi free South Africa ba na ba me se no pe no obi say you know for carry South Africa pe many pa ko Ghana because we say South Africa kwa wakwa ba dey we the s never what I say enu ti na ya maame mo da 19 some one na s when them say omo the s ba Ghana first what do you call it? Omo di ace ba Ghana first yes abakotam check Western region. Omo ko fa ace ni free Cote d'Ivoire. Omo ko fa ace ni free South Africa. Omo ko fa ace ni free Nigeria. And the ba Ghana ti ace edi hene wa Ghana. Enti yankwa fo ko sa other countries na enye nyoma pa bia na mo de ba yare eni wo enti ti se ba time e ka kire South Africa for say enough is enough. Somebody dey ya border kra chance. I go fact media subscribe like share na afufuro nya bi and notification bell for sabo so say there be any update there gonna be the first person to have it so for na Nigerian FIFA culture abusia makramo.
Welcome to Joe Fact Media. Hear it loud and clear. Breaking news, truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top.